I think I want to review toilet dekat dalam train. I thought tak ada bidet tau, but there is like bidet over here. You guys have to tolak this one and then dia guna. Dah lah ada bidet. Lepas tu ada toilet seat paper, ada tissue, and ada diaper changing table in case nak tukar pampers anak. Lelaki nak membuang macam ni pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Nak letak baby pun boleh, letak kat sini. In case of emergency boleh panggil call SOS here. And there is even like tingkap for you guys to pick up outside. That's all review for the day. Bye bye.